Introducing Cypress Cloud, the perfect companion to the free and open source Cypress app. By recording your existing tests to Cypress Cloud, you enable an entire suite of new capabilities that are sure to save your team time and to provide your team knowledge and insights like never before. When you choose to record your test to Cypress Cloud, you simply configure the project where the test results should be delivered. Setup is simple. After adding the project ID to your configuration files in the Cypress app, you will simply add a record flag to your Cypress app runs. These runs of the Cypress app might be taking place on your local machine or directly in your CI environment. Once a run records results to Cypress Cloud, you will see the high-level summary of the run, including the number of tests that passed or have failed, and flaky test in case a test does not always yield the same result. If your plan includes additional Cypress products, you will notice they are fully integrated into this view. For example, here we are showing two: a UI coverage score, which highlights what percentage of the user interactable app was actually tested, and a Cypress accessibility score, which gives you a snapshot of how accessible your app is to users of all abilities. By clicking into an individual run, you'll be shown the next level of details about the run, including how long the run took to execute and how to use parallelization or other Cypress features to minimize the runtime in CI. Also, the results of each individual test are available for further analysis. Clicking into this flaky test reveals information about each time the test was executed during the run, information about past executions of the test, and very importantly, we can see a test replay of any test in Cypress. Test replay is so much better than a video recording of your test. You can see each step of the test that is executed. When you open Developer Tools, you will see a familiar representation of every network call, including request and response, and also the browser console. Finally, this replay of your test includes the entire DOM of your application at the time it was under test, allowing you to inspect and even alter the DOM and allowing your team to save valuable time in recreating and fixing issues. Another feature that our users find very helpful is the Cypress AI that has been integrated into Cypress Cloud. Here, on this failed test, I am given an AI-generated summary of the purpose of the test in case I am not familiar with it. And for a test that has failed, Cypress AI also generates an analysis of why the test failed so that I can quickly fix the issue. Branch Review is a powerful feature in Cypress Cloud that enables you to understand changes that are occurring on any branch across your team, not just the develop or the master branch. You can see all the runs that take place on a specific branch of your code base. And if you want to review changes that occurred between two runs on that branch, simply select two compare points and Cypress will immediately show you everything that changed between those runs. Are you in need of reporting and analytics to help you continuously improve your testing program? Cypress Cloud provides analytics built in. There are multiple options available, starting with project-level analytics where you can dig into specific scenarios and the history of a project. Analyze your run status over time, your run durations, your top failures, your flaky test, and much more. With these analytics, you will be able to dig into the details, create issues in Jira, or even review test replays to identify ways to help your team achieve its goals. Enterprise reporting is an optional feature that allows you to spot trends and patterns across your entire organization. Drill into the data using the filters available at the top of each page. Any report can be downloaded in a variety of formats. And if you would like to access the data using REST APIs, don't worry, we have an option for that as well. You can get the data in JSON, Excel, or CSV formats. If you need help, don't worry. Cypress is known for having lots of quality documentation available for almost everything you would want to do in Cypress app or in Cypress Cloud. Cypress Cloud has tons of integrations available for you to supercharge your testing process. If you prefer to configure SSO to control user access to cloud, we have you covered. Maybe you want to have Cypress Cloud send status and feedback information to your source control system, such as GitHub or Bitbucket. Or you might want to post summaries to Slack or Microsoft Teams when the conditions that you specify have been met. Or maybe you want to create issues in Jira that have all the context available directly from Cypress Cloud. All of that and more is available with the integrations available out of the box in Cypress Cloud. That concludes our brief tour. There is so much more that is possible with Cypress Cloud. I encourage you to start your own no-risk free trial today. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and our team would love the opportunity to connect and show you everything that is possible with Cypress.